You have a new beginning every year. You could have a new beginning every quarter. You could have a new beginning every month, every week, or every day. In fact, you could have a new beginning each moment. And all it takes is a deep breath and a letting go so that you can really start fresh. And that's what it's all about, is that ability to learn and let it go. Don't let it linger. Don't let the past linger, because when you do, you're stuck. Here's the thing, you're always going to have problems. We just want to make sure that you have new, bigger problems each and every year, because those are a sign of growth.